Hi guys, this is Mr. Urrego. We're going to find the volume of this composite 3D figure, okay, salt shaker. So we're going to find the volume of this. And we notice the body is going to be a cylinder and the top is going to be a half sphere, okay. So the questions are: find the volume of the cylindrical part, which means the body, right, the bottom part, and then the hemispherical part, which is the top, and then the complete volume. And everything is going to be in terms of pi. So that's our goal right now, to find the volume in terms of pi of the whole salt shaker in pieces. To do this, let's get here and let me maximize. All right. So I have the height is going to be equal to 13, and then this measure in the bottom from one side to the other side is going to be 8. Again, they're asking me for both pieces. So let's do the bottom piece first, the body. So this is a cylinder, right? This is a cylinder, the bottom part. And the cylinder, the volume of the cylinder is your base times your height. But in this case, the base, as we can notice, is a circle. So the base is going to be the area of the circle. All right, all this area on the bottom, which is going to be pi r squared. So to find the to find the area of that piece, and this is times height, okay? So to find the area of the bottom, which is your base, that's a circle. I need the radius. They give me this dimension, but this is going from one side to the other side. So this is a diameter, okay, from one side to the other side. From the middle, it will be the radius, which is half of this, and my radius is 4. So let's plug this in. Pi, and the radius is 4, so it's going to be 4 to the second power times my height, and the height is this 13 that they're giving me. Alright, those units are in centimeters. We'll use the units in a minute. Okay, now it's just math. So again, they want my answer in terms of pi, so I'm going to keep pi at the end, and now I have to do 4 squared, which is going to be 16, times 13. Okay, and 16 times 13 is going to give me 208. So my first answer is the volume of the cylindrical part. Oh my god, this is horrible. Alright, so this volume, let's call this volume 1. Okay, so this is going to be volume 1. Alright, let's work with the top now. Let's do that with purple, I guess. Let's do it purple. So this top is going to be volume 2. All right, and that's a hemisphere, which is half a sphere. All right. Again, to find that, I need the radius. Let's write the formula of this first of all. So the volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. This is a pi r cubed. Okay, so the only information that I need is the radius. But again, look at this. This is the same shape as the top. So if my diameter on the bottom is 8, my diameter on the top is 8. If the radius on the bottom is 4, the radius on the top is 4 as well. Okay, so I know that my radius is going to be 4 as well. Again, they want the answer in terms of pi, so I keep my pi. And now I got to do the 4/3, which is 4 divided by 3. Okay, 4 divided by 3 times 4 cubed. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I'm getting here 85.3 pi. I did the units, and that's a mistake. So if my units are centimeters and I'm doing the volume, then it's going to be centimeters to the 3rd power. Okay, so the volume of the sphere is 85.3 centimeters to the 3rd power. The volume of the cylinder is 208 pi centimeters to the 3rd power. But again, what I just found is the volume of the sphere, which is the whole thing. I just need half. I just need half of the sphere. Therefore, my volume 2 is whatever I got here divided by 2. And that's going to give me 42.67 pi centimeters to the third power. If I need to run this to the 10th, then it's going to be 42.7 pi centimeters to the third power. So this is the volume of the cylindrical part, which is the bottom part. Then 42.7 will be the volume of the hemispherical part, which is the top. And now to find the volume of the total salt shaker, I just need to add volume 1 plus volume 2. Volume 1 is 208 pi centimeters cubed plus volume 2, which is the top, is 42.7 pi centimeter cube. Let's add those two values and I get plus 208. And that's going to be equal to 250.7 centimeters cubed, and that's the volume of the whole salt shaker total. And that will be your answer number 3. Okay.